Guys, this is the Super 501. It has 5 plates for Kangen water, acidic water, which is the beauty water, and clean water. 7 plates for the 2.5 and 11.5. So technically it's 7 plates plus 5 plates is 2 machines combined together. What's the main difference for the Super 501 versus the K8? K8 you need the enhancer. You need to buy the enhancer from the company. It costs about $6.50 in Sing dollar. For these, right, you can produce your own enhancer just by mixing salt and water and then pour in until this level. Okay, so it's a bigger tank. So this is the salt I use. This one packet is 500 grams, so technically we need about 300 grams of salt, and then you pour into this tub and then fill up the water to 0.31 gallon until this line and shake it until it's fully dissolved. Okay, and this amount of enhancer is enough for use about 2 times. So this cost me about this salt costs me about 45 cents. So let's say maybe 30 cents to produce this amount of enhancer. Okay, this amount can produce about 24 liters of 2.5 and 11.5. So like that is about 48 liters of 2.5, 48 liters of 11.5, around there. Only cost me about 20 cents. 25 cents. Okay. So what we do is press this. Let's say if I need strong acidic water, this strong acidic water is a bit different because it comes up from the top hose, and then strong Kangen come up from the bottom hose. Okay. You don't need to clean when you switch from here 2.5 to beauty water, to the Kangen water. It will just switch over. Again, now notice that okay, this is 9.5. Let's say if I need to clean the machine, I just press this cleaning. Okay. So yesterday, Nisa told me that we don't need to do e-cleaning for Super 501. Only need to do really deep cleaning. Okay. For all this water, beauty, purified water 7.0 and Kangen water, the water goes to this filter, so it removes the chlorine and contaminants, just like normal one. And this is a reset button. When you first install the machine or the new filter, you just press to reset, so they will count 6,000 liters. Okay, see, the cleaning is done. Okay, okay. This Super 501 is always on, so it's not advisable to attach to your tap using the diverter. So what I do is I install a tap for this. It's always on. So let's say if I want to squeeze the flow, I just turn this flow to the right, make it smaller, then the 11.5 will be stronger, 2.5 will be stronger also. And see this, I take out this filter, and then when I press 2.5 and 11.5, it comes out. Okay, but there's no water going through the filter, meaning that 2.5 and 11.5 doesn't use up this 6,000 liters of filter. So it's going to save you a lot of filter costs if you are using a lot of 2.5 and 11.5. That's why it's for commercial industrial use or for restaurant use. So because it doesn't go through this filter, and it doesn't remove chlorine and contaminants, it's advisable to install pre-filter fiber KDF for this Super 501. So first thing, remove the chlorine and contaminants before you go into this Super 501, and those 11.5 and 2.5, sorry, 11.5 is here. 2.5 is here. When they are dispensed, there's no chlorine in the water. You don't want to soak your vegetable to remove pesticides but still have chlorine inside, right? So if for those cancer patients they are drinking 11.5, better to get those higher grade of sea salt. 45 cents to get a packet of sea salt, I think is not really, I don't think this is a real sea salt. Okay, so those expensive ones cost about $3 in dollars. Okay, okay, for 2.5 11.5, let's say it's advisable to do cleaning 3 times every night before you sleep. Okay, so what I do usually is I press this cleaning. So one time of cleaning takes about 35 seconds, and then it comes up from here, from the gray hose here, which is the 11.5 hose. I tested the pH of this water is about pH 13.2, and it is only about negative 476 millivolts. So it's antioxidant, but the pH is very high. So this one helps in my eczema. I wash 2 times and the eczema is gone. Okay. So yeah, done already. 35 seconds. So you can stop. You do it 3 times a day. And then there's a timer operation here. Why I seldom use this, because let's say when you dispense 9.5, halfway it can be cleaning the machine. So all those dirty water will go into your water also, and you may not realize it. Sometimes you press ready, then you go away, but the cleaning process is the cleaning is in process. So end up those dirty water also go into your water, drinking water. So what I usually do when I dispense, I make sure that I'm around so that the cleaning water doesn't go into my machine, the water I'm collecting. Okay, thank you.